Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Hope you are having a good time in 2020. I know we all are. Today we'll be doing a little thrift flip video. So the backstory is, back in October, my boyfriend and I have moved into this new apartment, and we've been pretty much using all of our free time redecorating. Our goal for this place is to redecorate using 100% recycled items. We've been doing quite well with acquiring items through secondhand websites like Kijiji, as well as, hunting treasures through thrift stores. People throw out their items when they move out, and sometimes we find them in good condition and we bring them home, sanitize them of course, and thrift flip them into furniture pieces that we think would look nice in our grandma vintage chic looking apartment. So today we're going to take you on a journey of how we thrift flip 2 of the items that we found for free and how we transform them into something nice looking using very low budget restoration techniques. This new apartment that we've moved into doesn't really have a backyard or open space that we're able to take our furniture pieces out to spray paint or repaint and let them dry overnight. This is why I picked out 2 cans of spray paint, because we all know spray paints dry rather fast. One of them is in a color of flat black. The other is a chalk paint in the color of charcoal. Before we take off the knobs, we're going to give the dresser a quick wipe. We're now going to cover the mirror part with some paper and frog tape to protect it from the spray paint. Since the paper is not really the right size for this mirror, I'm going to trace around it with my finger and then cut it to fit.
A few moments later.
So it's been a couple hours. The paint has fully dried, and now we're going to put back on the brass knobs and peel off the paper protection on the mirror to see what we have. So there you have it, guys. These are the final results of our thrift flip. We were able to keep our budget under $20 for both of these transformations. I'll be sure to link the 2 spray paints that we used down below in the description for you. And please make sure to let me know if this video has inspired you to do your own thrift flip. I know 2020 has been a very hard year for all of us, and having this little side hobby for me has really helped me along these past months. And please be sure to check out my second channel where I make delicious food. I'll link it up here and down below for you, and I'll hope to see you all soon.